Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best hand rags is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any household or professional setting, serving a multitude of purposes from cleaning up spills to drying hands and surfaces, making its selection a surprisingly important decision for maintaining hygiene and efficiency in your daily tasks. And today we're diving deep into what makes a hand rag truly stand out from the rest. Number 5. Utopia Towels 24-pack Cotton Washcloths. Introducing our premium washcloth set, crafted from 100% ring-spun cotton for exceptional softness and durability. This pack includes 24 white washcloths, each measuring 12 by 12 inches. Experience a touch of luxury with these incredibly soft and highly absorbent towels. Their gentle texture is perfect for your skin, making them ideal for everyday use. These versatile towels are designed to enhance your daily routine. Whether for household chores, the gym, spa, or guest rooms, they offer comfort and convenience. Woven with 100% ring-spun cotton, these towels are built to last. Enjoy their attractive appearance and reliable performance for years to come. To maintain their pristine white color, we recommend avoiding direct contact with cosmetics, facial creams, or scrubs. This simple care ensures they stay looking their best. What we like? These are made from 100% ring-spun cotton, offering a premium, soft feel. They are also highly absorbent, making them great for everyday use. If you're looking for a comfortable and reliable washcloth for your face, gym, or guest rooms, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The material is soft and absorbent, perfect for drying hands quickly. These rags are durable and hold up well after multiple washes. The size is just right for everyday use, not too big or too small. Number 4. Swedish Wholesale Reusable Sponge Cloths, 10-pack. Discover the ultimate cleaning companion. These reusable cloths are designed for exceptional performance in your kitchen and beyond. Simply wet them before use to transform them from stiff to soft. They are perfect for tackling messes on kitchen, bathroom, and household surfaces. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. Our unique blend dries quickly, keeping them fresh and ready for your next cleaning task. Replace over 15 rolls of paper towels with just one of these. With proper care, they last for months, significantly reducing your daily waste. These cloths absorb up to 15 times their weight in liquid. They handle large spills with ease, outperforming traditional cleaning options. Simply toss them in the dishwasher or washing machine for easy cleaning. They are designed for over 50 uses, ensuring long-term value. From delicate marble to sturdy stainless steel, these cloths are safe for all surfaces. They clean effectively without causing scratches. What we like? These cloths are designed to be reusable and odor-resistant, thanks to their quick-drying cellulose and cotton blend. They absorb up to 15 times their weight in liquid, making them incredibly effective for cleaning spills. If you want to reduce paper towel waste and prefer a hygienic, odor-free cleaning experience for your kitchen and bathroom surfaces, these are the ones to get. What people say. The microfiber material is highly absorbent and dries quickly. These rags are durable and hold up well after multiple washes. The size is perfect for various cleaning tasks around the house. Number 3. HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 12-pack. Achieve a perfect, streak-free finish on all your surfaces. These cloths make daily cleaning quick and simple, even on delicate items. Clean with confidence knowing these cloths are soft and lint-free. They won't scratch or damage even the most sensitive finishes. These cloths quickly absorb spills, grease, and grime. They are perfect for drying, polishing, and tackling everyday messes with ease. Save money and reduce waste with these reusable and washable cloths. They are built to last through hundreds of washes. From your car to your kitchen, these cloths handle it all. They are a practical choice for any home, garage, or small business. What we like? These microfiber cloths are ultra-soft, lint-free, and scratch-safe, ensuring a streak-free clean on delicate surfaces. Their high-density design makes them highly absorbent for spills and polishing. If you need a versatile cloth for cleaning cars, glass, kitchens, or any delicate surface without worry of scratches, these are a fantastic all-around option. What people say. The material is super soft and absorbent, perfect for drying hands quickly. They are a good size, not too small and not too big, just right for everyday use. The reinforced stitching makes them very durable and they hold up well after multiple washes. Number 2. AIDEA White Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 50 pk. Experience superior cleaning with these cloths. Their advanced microfiber material offers excellent water absorption, ensuring surfaces dry quickly and remain spotless. These cloths are designed for repeated use. They are easy to clean either by hand or machine, and maintain their softness and quality wash after wash. Achieve a perfect finish every time. Our premium material and advanced cutting technique ensure a lint-free and scratch-safe clean on all your household surfaces. Cleaning has never been easier. The dense, plush fibers effectively trap dirt, dust, and grime, working perfectly with or without cleaning solutions. From kitchens to bathrooms and cars, these cloths handle it all. They are your go-to essential for a wide range of daily household cleaning tasks. Invest in cleaning tools that last. These cloths are built for durability and effectiveness, making your cleaning routine more efficient and satisfying. What we like. Crafted with a blend of polyester and polyamide, these microfiber towels boast exceptional water absorption and fast drying capabilities. They are also lint-free and scratch-safe, making them ideal for a variety of household tasks. If you need an all-purpose cleaning rag that is effective, easy to clean, and safe for most surfaces in your home or car, these are a great value pack. What people say. The microfiber material is highly absorbent and dries quickly, making it ideal for various cleaning tasks. These rags are durable and hold up well after multiple washes, retaining their softness and effectiveness. The generous size of the rags makes them versatile for wiping down counters, cleaning spills, and polishing surfaces. Number 1. Zeppoli Classic Dish Towels, 15 pack. Crafted from 100% natural cotton, these towels are designed to be tough on messes yet gentle on your dishes. They are built to last, ensuring a smile with every use. These lightweight towels soak up spills effortlessly and dry in a flash. They clean up messes without leaving any lint behind, making your cleaning tasks a breeze. Always be prepared for any mess with this convenient 15-pack of kitchen essentials. They are perfect for all your cooking and cleaning needs, whether at home or in a professional setting. You can easily toss these reusable towels in the washer and dryer without concern. They are designed to resist shrinkage and minimize lint, offering a long-lasting and economical alternative to paper towels. Experience top-notch performance and durability at an unbeatable price. These towels provide excellent quality without straining your budget. What we like. Made from 100% natural cotton, these dish towels are both durable and super absorbent, designed to soak up spills quickly and dry in a flash. They are also lint-free and machine washable for long-lasting use. If you're looking for a reliable, absorbent, and lint-free kitchen towel for all your cooking and cleaning needs, this bulk pack offers the best value. What people say. The material is soft and absorbent, perfect for wiping up spills. These rags are durable and hold up well after multiple washes. The size is generous, making them versatile for various cleaning tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.